This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Cami Alberts. Rarely available villa in Plum Harbor. This beauty is completely updated with decorator touches throughout. Feels like a single-family home. Open floor plan boasts loads of natural light. Gourmet kitchen offers stainless steel appliances, granite counters and glass tile backsplash. Gorgeous wood-look tile in all living areas. High-end laminate in bedrooms. Both bathrooms have been tastefully updated. Custom window treatments. Complete hurricane protection. Oversized walk-in closet in primary bedroom offers custom closet system. Pull-down stairs to huge attic for extra storage. Meticulously maintained and pure pride of ownership here. Open porch. White PVC fenced yard. Rapid HOA approval with low HOA dues. Walk to neighborhood schools. Close to eateries, shopping and Sawgrass Expressway. This beauty will not last. For more information, review the details below.